video by my little sister.
I can make crunchy slime, squishy slime, foam slime, cloud slime, blue slime, black slime, green slime, leaf slime. I can make every slime. I'm a slime master.
Welcome to our video, and today what will we be making?
Slime.
We're making slime today with my little sister. Stay tuned. So we've got our ingredients right here. We got some bicarb soda, some
Clean sensitive laundry liquid,
some soap, some
foaming face wash,
some
foaming face wash,
some glue, some
green paint,
some
blue paint.
That's all we need. Some bowl, some spoon. What do we do first?
First, you want to pour some glue into the bowl.
Half the bottle. Stir it fast. Have we stirred it enough?
Yeah.
What do we do next?
Now add as much foaming hand wash as you want.
Add foaming hand wash. Go for it, girl.
That's not much.
You're almost there.
Now what colour do you want it?
Green. Green.
You know what this color reminds me of?
What?
Leaves.
Now what?
Okay, now you're gonna add some bicarbonate of soda.
How many?
Not too much. Mix it faster.
Mix it faster! I'm trying my best! Sometimes your best isn't enough! Stop touching her!
Now you're gonna add a little bit of this at a time.
Feels like slime now. Look at that consistency. So, there you guys have it. That's how to make slime in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for being our special guest today.
Hi, could you please review this slime?
I'm not touching that.
What do you think?
Smells like shampoo.
Does it taste good? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see us in our next video.